Is your electric induction cooktop not working? You press the power button, but nothing happens. It just won't turn on. Well, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to repair it yourself, right at home. Go ahead and unplug the power cord from the electric socket. Once that's done, we're going to remove all the screws on the induction cooktop and open it up completely so we can see what's going on inside. Now, once it's open, you'll see the induction coil and all the wires connected to it. We're going to carefully remove the screws holding the coil in place, take the coil out, and also disconnect the two wires that are attached to it from the circuit board, and finally disconnect the cooling fan wire as well. Now, here's where things get interesting. Take a close look at the circuit board. You'll notice a dark burnt spot right here. So, what we're going to do is grab our multimeter, set it to continuity mode, and start testing the components in that area to find out exactly which one has gone bad. And sure enough, after testing, we can confirm it's a transistor that's burned out. Once it's clean, we'll apply soldering paste directly onto the transistor pins. Then, using a desoldering wick and a soldering iron, we're going to carefully remove the damaged transistor from the board. Take your time with this step. You want to do it cleanly without damaging any nearby components. Once it's out, go ahead and discard it. Now grab your new replacement transistor. Place it carefully into the same spot on the circuit board. Once it's positioned correctly, gently bend the pins down so they sit flush against the board. This makes soldering much easier and cleaner. Now solder all the pins firmly onto the board. Great, the new transistor is in place. Next, we're going to clean up the rest of the board. Use the desoldering wick to remove any excess solder from other areas on the board. And wherever you notice any loose or cold solder joints, go ahead and resolder them properly. We want this board to be in perfect condition before we put everything back together. Alright, the board is fully repaired. Now let's reassemble everything. Place the circuit board back into the induction cooktop and secure all its screws. Then reconnect the cooling fan wire, reconnect the induction coil wires to the circuit board, and reconnect the sensor wire as well. Now screw the coil back into place. After that, reconnect the switch controller wire and the power switch to the circuit board. Once everything is connected, close up the induction cooktop and tighten all the outer screws firmly with a screwdriver. And that's it, the repair is complete. Now for the moment of truth. Let's plug it back into the power socket and turn it on. And just like that, it's working. The display is on, the heat levels can be adjusted up and down, and the water we placed on it is heating up perfectly. So guys, that's exactly how you can easily repair your old broken induction cooktop right at home without spending a fortune. Give it a try, and good luck.